News from the US market is not good, and you see US market Dow Jones has fallen by India 1100 points yesterday, and that impact you are seeing in the Indian market. Indian market is around 270 points down, and the single most biggest reason is FOMC meet outcome, and that outcome is out. Everyone expected that there will be a 25 basis point, and that is the cut. Okay, तो वहाँ कोई change नहीं है. Then why market is so no shaky here? The reason is simple that no, the commentary which Jerome Powell given yesterday was not at all good. Okay, Jerome Powell was very much hawkish, means ज़्यादा ही hawkish थे compared to what everyone thought about. Okay, what Jerome Powell told, okay, we are cutting this 25 basis point, but don't expect any cut rate in near time. And they are saying that now we have to wait for some time for cutting the rate, because they already cut almost 1%. If you remember, they cut initially 0.50 basis point, then another 25 basis point, and yesterday also they cut almost 25 basis point. Now, so total 1%. Now they are saying that in 2025 they are going to cut only two times 25 basis point. Earlier the expectation that they will cut almost 1%, that is four times 25 basis cut will be there. Now they are saying that no, they are going to cut only two times. Now that is what market did not like. At the end, any market, if it wants to run, that depends on the liquidity. And liquidity, the biggest, अगर आप बोलते हो ना कि which is the biggest reserve in the world which can fuel the liquidity in India, overall the world stock market, including Indian stock market also, is the US Fed. Okay, they are printing machine. Okay, they print money like anything. And if they are saying कि नहीं भाई हम लोग ज्यादा print नहीं करेंगे, print तो यहाँ नहीं होने वाला है, but they will not open the liquidity, by this cutting the interest rate, then there will be a problem. And that is what market did not like. And you can see Dow Jones in last 17 years, first time it has seen that it has fallen by almost nine trading sessions, more than that. And last eight session, whatever they've fallen in single day, yesterday it has fallen, because everyone thought okay hawkish hoga, sab kuch hoga, but no one thought कि, okay, only uh, two rate cut will happen in the next year. Again, the policy was passed by almost 10 is to 1, that is 10 were favoring, and but however one official no was against the policy, okay, of no cutting the interest at this time. So basically what Powell told, that we have to wait. Now why they have to wait, this is also very very important to understand, because what they are saying that indirectly बोल रहे, पहले तो बोल नहीं रहे, and directly they cannot say, but yes, they are waiting for the government policy to come. And Trump is going to take office next month onwards, and once he takes the office, lot of changes are going to come. He's going to make some radical changes. He already told that he's going to impose his taxes on China and all that, not taxes but the tariff duties and all that. Even yesterday he told no, that he, if Brazil and India continues to put more tax on the imported item from USA, then we are also going to put more taxes, on the exported item from India. So that is what he is like, no, and that's why that was also one of the point why market was falling. So basically everyone is thinking that okay, Trump will bring the economy up, that is for sure, that is what everyone is thinking. But as the economy starts going up, the inflation also goes up. If you earlier the estimation of 2025 for the US was 2.1%, and now it has been raised to 2.5%. So there is a raise in the inflation rate also. And why they are increasing, that is what Powell told, that is what the Fed is thinking, that as and when this policy will be implemented, again the growth may shoot up and then the inflation may go up. Okay, and see, it's very easy to cut interest rate, but agar inflation बढ़ गया, then they have to reverse their policy, and that is what they don't want to do. If they are cutting the interest rate, they will cut, but now they will cut slowly. And that is what the message is coming from Powell. Okay, the labor market is good overall. Indirectly, within the lines, he is saying that no, the US economy is quite good, and we don't see any need to cut more interest rate, in order to fuel the economy. See, earlier what was the problem? If you talk about 2020 and all that above, uh, before that, no, the US growth was around 0 to, inflation used to 0 to 1%. Correct. And now if you see, because of this cut of interest rate, it is around 4.5 or something, 4.25, 4.5. They may bring it to 3.5, but they cannot bring to the level of what Fed was telling, no, that their main intention is to below, bring it to below 2%. वो chances बहुत कम है आने के रीजन, क्योंकि अगर इकोनॉमी चलेगी तो इन्फ्लेशन कैन नॉट गो डाउन. So initially what the quantitative easing they've done in 2020 COVID crisis, now that has literally push the base of the inflation of US at a higher level, and now you cannot go back. This is what is look like. And again, of course, their companies are doing much better. Even now they are saying that no, US growth rate will be around 2.5% compared to what they were expecting 2% earlier. So for the next year, so sorry, for this year, and for the next year it will be around 2.1%. Then also it is quite good, quite good for the US economy, which was not growing at all. And lot of you can say no, that faith is there on the new Trump government, that they are going to change the things. Of course, he has Elon Musk in his cabinet, and you know that now how the Elon Musk is. So lot of radical changes may come after the next one. Exciting time ahead, but our market will be very volatile, and that is the problem we have, no, that now if US is performing so well, FI wants to say stay in their country rather than coming into the developing countries like India. And you can see the FII flow is happening. Yesterday also almost 1300 crore rupees of selling happened, earlier 6000 crore rupees. Now this is now FII now is impacting market. DI are buying, no doubt about it, but all these have an impact on India. Now regarding India, Indian inflation is still higher. Okay, you remember this 5.5 was the last one. This time it has come little bit lower, but still RBI don't know whether they'll cut interest rate in February or not. New RBI governor Sanjay Malhotra has to deal with lot of things, but all these things no will have an impact on Indian market, and that is what is actually currently Indian market is struggling. Okay, so all this if you see the US, what Fed indirectly is saying, no, that we are in the wait and watch mode. Let us see what the Trump government is going to do and what is the policy they are going to bring, whether again it is fueling the inflation. If it is fueling the inflation, no, we have to then reverse the policy. तो वो नहीं करना चाहते, that's why they are doing, but it's complete wait on. But that is what market did not like it. Now India is of course following US. अब इंडिया के भी कुछ अलग से प्रॉब्लम है, that Q3 results कैसे आएंगे, that is starting from the next month. Again our interest rate here is not cutting, so we are also in a very much dilemma, and this is a period no where market don't know where to go up or go down. Of course this no market is going down now. Today it has gone down around below 24,000, but let's see how the things will be from here. But the policy which has come, no, overall is not at all good for the market. No, overall the world market also, because at the end USA is the liquidity no powerhouse. Okay, तो वहां से ज्यादा liquidity आती है. But one good thing, what Paul already told, that no, US economy will remain strong, and we need a strong US economy. Only thing is when Trump comes into power, we don't know that type of scenario where it start levying taxes of India also. Now I just seen the article where it is been said that no government officials, also Indian government officials, are working on lowering some of the import duty of US, so that they don't get a black slash now from Trump, the way it has done for the China. तो of course ये सब चलता रहेगा anyways. So this short video is just to make you understand what is happening in around the world and why market is. I hope you like this video. Do like it and share it to everyone. And guys, if you have any question, put it in the chat box. And guys, our stock recommendation, big discount going on. Click the link below in the and on the website. Go and check it out and do avail it if you want. Okay, so see you next in the video. Bye bye. Thank you.